Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Linguamagic. I'm Ava.
And I'm Lewis. It's always great to see you here.
Today we'll learn how to talk about the weather in English. This is something people use every single day.
Exactly. Talking about the weather is not just vocabulary, it's also part of culture. In English, people often use it to start conversations, to be polite, or just to fill the silence. Step 1. Grammar Intro.
The main structure is it is plus adjective or it is plus verb-ing. Adjectives describe the weather. It is sunny. It is cloudy. Verbs describe weather happening right now. It is raining. It is snowing.
And remember, you can also change the tense. Past, it was sunny yesterday. Present, it is cloudy today. Future, it will be windy tomorrow. Perfect, it has been raining all week. Step 2. Vocabulary.
Now, let's explore some detailed weather words. I'll give you examples so you can really imagine the situation. Drizzle. This is very light rain, almost like the air is wet. Imagine walking outside without an umbrella. You won't get soaked, but your hair and clothes will feel damp.
2. Sprinkle. Similar to drizzle, but usually shorter. You might feel a few drops on your skin and think, is it starting to rain or was that just a sprinkle?
3. Shower. A shower is a quick, sudden period of rain. It comes fast, lasts for a short time, and then it stops. For example, it was sunny, then we had a shower, and now it's sunny again.
4. Light rain. Easy to understand. It's raining, but softly. You might not even need an umbrella if you're outside for just a few minutes.
5. Heavy rain. The opposite of light rain. The rain is strong, loud, and you'll definitely get wet. You often see people running for cover.
6. Torrential rain. Even stronger than heavy rain. This is when it rains so much, the streets may flood. Imagine pouring water from a bucket. That's what torrential rain feels like.
7. Mist. Mist looks like a light fog. You can still see buildings or trees, but everything is a little blurry, like looking through a thin curtain.
8. Thunderstorm. A powerful storm with thunder, lightning, and usually heavy rain. Sometimes people feel excited. Sometimes they feel nervous.
9. Hail. Instead of raindrops, small balls of ice fall from the sky. They hit cars, roofs, and the ground. Hail can be dangerous if the pieces are big.
Hi, Sarah. How's the weather in your city today?
Hi. This morning we had a light drizzle, but now the sun is coming out.
That sounds nice. Over here, it suddenly turned into a heavy shower. I had to run inside.
Oh no. Yesterday we even had a thunderstorm with hail. It was so noisy I couldn't sleep.
Wow, that sounds intense. I hope tomorrow isn't torrential rain because I need to drive a long distance.
Fingers crossed. Maybe you'll just get a sprinkle or some mist in the morning.
Let's take a closer look at the dialogue. Did you notice how we always started with it is, or use the past future tense? For example, it was a drizzle this morning. It turned into a shower.
Yes, the structure is simple, but you can change the vocabulary to be more specific. Instead of just saying it is raining, you can say it is drizzling or it is pouring to give more detail.
Also notice how we connected the weather to our daily lives. I said the thunderstorm kept me awake. Lewis said he was worried about driving in torrential rain. That's how native speakers talk. They connect weather with their experiences.
Exactly. So when you practice, don't just say the word. Try to add a sentence. It's sunny. I feel like going for a walk. Or it's cloudy. I might stay home.
Great tip. Now, let's look at some simpler weather words. These are very common, so let's practice together. Please repeat after us.
Sunny. This means the sun is shining, the sky is blue. Say it with me. Sunny.
Cloudy. The sky is full of clouds. Repeat. Cloudy.
Rainy. Water is falling from the sky. Repeat. Rainy.
Windy. The wind is blowing strongly. Repeat. Windy.
Snowy. Snow is falling, the ground turns white. Repeat. Snowy.
Excellent. Repeating out loud helps your brain remember the sound and the meaning together.
Now, let's try something important. Go back and listen to our dialogue again.
This time, focus on how we used it as plus weather word. Notice the small details.
You can even pause and repeat each line to practice speaking naturally.
Hi, Sarah. How's the weather in your city today?
Hi. This morning we had a light drizzle, but now the sun is coming out.
That sounds nice. Over here, it suddenly turned into a heavy shower. I had to run inside.
Oh no. Yesterday we even had a thunderstorm with hail. It was so noisy I couldn't sleep.
Wow, that sounds intense. I hope tomorrow isn't torrential rain because I need to drive a long distance.
Fingers crossed. Maybe you'll just get a sprinkle or some mist in the morning.
Today we learned both basic and advanced weather vocabulary and how to use the structure it is plus in real conversations.
Remember, weather is not just vocabulary, it's also a perfect conversation starter. Use it to practice small talk and connect with people in English.
Thanks so much for joining us today.
Keep practicing, and soon you'll sound natural when talking about the weather.
See you next time on Linguamagic.